Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Pentair SuperFlo VST pool pump and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this pump is not working, if it's not turning on when it's supposed to, if it's not following the schedule you set for it or anything like that, a good way to fix any issues like that is to just do a hard reset back to the factory out of the box settings on it. Now you'll need to set everything up, all the schedules and everything, you'll need to set it all up again. But that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason, if you're installing it on a new pool or just whatever reason where you want to get a fresh start and have everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really easily. So there needs to be power to it, but the pump should not be running. So if the pump is running, you're going to have to come in and hit stop and stop the pump from running. And then all we're going to do is we're going to simultaneously push and hold these four buttons, the 1, 2, 3, and quick clean buttons, all at the same time. Press and hold them simultaneously, all at the same time. And until it will show up on the screen, it will say FACT and then RST, factory reset. Once that happens, you can let go. The factory reset has been completed, and you can go ahead and set up whatever schedules and everything you want on this pump.